Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog, another video, starting record all the way from Manyara, East Africa, Tanzania. Welcome back to my channel, Good Morning Africa TV, recording live here in the village guys. We are in the village showing you what's going on in this other side. Here with mtumishi wa Mungu Pastor Melkizedeki.
Yes, Melkizedek.
Say hello.
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 How are you?
Yes,
How
Mr. Melkizedeki is here.
Yeah.
He's saying hi to you guys.
Yes.
Yes, he's a man of God, also a friend. So this is another vlog, another video. We are going to the mountain. You see, that's the mountain guys. It's foggy right now, you can barely see, but this is the road to the mountain. And here I am guys. Here I am.
Yes.
Pastor, unaweza kunisaidia kunishuti sasa, na mimi natembea naenda hivi.
Yes.
Ila kwa hivi yes, so here I am. Nikuonekane vizuri.
Yes.
Here I am guys.
Yes.
And we are enjoying banana here in the village.
Yes.
Twende tu pamoja. We are enjoying banana guys.
Yeah.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Anaongea na simu,
Yeah, we are enjoying also again. We are enjoying banana here in the village early in the morning. It's good to be here guys. I wish you are here and feel the breath and feel the air and feel the atmosphere. Here we have maize. Beautiful. This is the road. These are neighbors. Sunflowers. This, I wish you taste this banana. Very nice. Very nice. So we just took there from Mama Yusuf.
Yes.
She just gifted us. Very kind woman, guys.
Yeah.
She was a woman of pastor.
Yeah.
His husband passed away a long time ago, but Salama, but she still keep the work of God. And as we pass through, last time we passed, she gave us a free lunch. Today she gave us a free bananas, also for sale. She's selling banana to sustain her life. So you see, everything around her is there to support her. The chicken produced eggs for her. The banana tree produced banana for her. Cows produce milk for her. She sells to the neighbor. That's how she lives. And here we are to support her. By the way, we pay her. We could get for free, but we pay her to support her business and her life. Very delicious.
Yeah.
Look at that house there.
Yeah.
Very tiny.
Yeah.
Surrounded by sunflowers. So guys, here we are in the village. We are going a little bit far, but the weather is good. The weather is good. This is our breakfast. This is our breakfast, guys. Ule ni Sinai, ule mlima wa Sinai.
Mlima wa Sinai ule. Babati.
Okay.
Sasa shika bwana.
Shukuru kwa kunisaidia kushoot. I'm thanking Pastor Melchizedek for helping me shooting. Yes, guys. So we are going there. It's foggy everywhere. Naona kuanzia pale ndo kuna ukungu mwingi. Guys, look in front of us. Yeah, too much foggy there, guys. I don't know if we could see around. Mimi niko sawa. Mbili zinanitosha. Beautiful view. Hivi mtumishi, yule jamaa uliniambia anatengeneza, mzee mmoja anatengeneza kikolokolo hivi.
Ndio yule tunayemwendea.
Hata huku mbele.
Huko mbele.
Tuende kwanza mlimani au tupite kwake?
Tupitia kwake. Ndio njiani hapo hapo.
Yes, guy, we are from there. We are heading there.
Hello. Hey. Hello.
Welcome to our channel, guys.
Hey, hello, habari.
Yeah, with Mr. Melchizedek speaking the phone. Sorry about the shaking of the video.
Hey, hello.
This is typical lifestyle in the village of Africa. Yes, guys, this is Good Morning Africa TV, and here I am trying to shoot a very stable video. It's cold here. It's cold here. We are in the coldest zone, guys. Like the wind is coming down, the clouds is coming down and meet the ground surface, the earth. That's why you see what you see now. Corns everywhere. Wow. Mtumishi, hii hali ya hewa, hii hali ya hewa ni hatari.
Hali ya hewa nzuri. Inaonekana picha.
Well, guys, in Swahili we call it ukungu, but in English is foggy. Mtumishi, usikii baridi ase?
Hamna shida kabisa. Niko fit. Niko fresh.
Yes, guys.
Nimesikia fresh sana.
Look at this big farm, big maize, tallest. Big farm, guys. This is Africa. See foggy here, foggy there, everywhere. Huku hata kuamka si kwa tabu sana. Unaweza ukasema bado usiku. Yes. Yes, guys.
Nani wajukuu wanaitwaje kwa Kiingereza?
Grandchildren.
Grandchildren. Okay, na mkwe, mama mkwe.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law, yes.
Yes, guys.
Hapa ndio tunakuja semaji mazuri haya.
This maize is wonderful. Alafu ni matatu tatu. Una ile pale matatu. Shikamoo. Hii mbegu gani tatu? Habari asubuhi. Eh?
Hii sijajua. Hii si nani? Hii inakaa kama ile unaita nini? Seeds.
We are talking about these farmers.
Yeah.
It produced 3 cones.
Yes.
1 tree. 3. They are surprised. Yes. Mtumishi ni hatari. Sasa kule tulikotoka tuoni kitu tu.
Yaani kwa tunakwenda mfungu.
Hatari sana.
Unashangaa.
Yes guys, this is Africa. The weather in the village is as you see guys. You can barely see where you're heading and where you're from. Look. You don't know. This is the road we came from. It was bright, clear, but now we are here. We don't see anything. It's just 200 meters. You can only see 200 meters back, 200 meters in front of you. Yes. Hapa ndo iko full. Hata unaweza ukashika hewa. Hello, mahindi yanafurahia mazao.
Kabisa. Hapa karibu wanavuna.
Yes guys. The sounds of birds. Yeah.
This is Foggy. Foggy. Hapo unapiga live.
Live.
Unakudaka moja kwa moja.
This is homeowners. The home. Huyo ng'ombe wa kisasa hapo. This is a house. Someone house lives here.
This is the tree.
Avocado, by the way, guys. Avocado tree. You see avocado there. And cows in the house. Chickens. Typical African life. African village life. Toilet. Yes, guys. We are almost there. People, they harvest some banana tree, they transport. Jambo. Malaba wapi hiyo? Hongereni dogo, ujambo? Haya, poa. Yes, they are going to plant banana. Yes guys. Yes, sasa kule mlimani mtumishi, kutakuwa giza sasa. Uoni view kule.
Lakini baadaye hii inaisha.
Itaisha. Yes. It's saying to be gone when the sun comes. To be gone, to be